Good morning, guys. Today is October 1st and we are gonna have a big day ahead of us. Lots of homework. I'm going home today, which is exciting. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get our day started. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if you can hear the washer in the back, but I had to wash our sheets as you guys saw, so that is still going, so I'm sorry if you can hear it. I'm very excited for today. It is 8 o'clock now and it is October 1st. It's Friday. I'm excited. I'm going home. I cannot wait to see my family, and I'm also going to be able to see Cameron's family as well, who I have not seen his parents in like a month and a half, which is crazy. So I'm very excited about that. Yeah, we have a very busy weekend, and I do have a lot of homework on top of that. So I'm gonna try to get a lot done this morning. That's why I woke up early. And yeah, I showered because I had a fake tan on from last night. I also planned on going to the gym, but then I just thought it was pointless because I just showered, so I didn't go. I need to like get better at it, but it's just so inconvenient sometimes. And then tomorrow, me and Cameron are going to a pumpkin patch, like cider mill type thing. So we go there like every single year. So I'm really excited for that as well. And then Sunday, we actually have a Darren Shay concert, which I bought tickets for in like 2019, and we're finally able to go. I was supposed to go with my friend Rylan. I'm really sad she can't go because she has class at 8 in the morning on Monday. The concert is at like 7 p.m. on a Sunday, which is super weird for one. But yeah, I completely understand because her college is literally like 3 hours away from where the concert is. So she would not be able to go, like she would have to drive home super late and have class super early. So I'm taking Cameron. She said it was fine if I just took Cameron. So I'm also very excited for that. So many exciting things going on this weekend. I'm going to make some breakfast now. I don't really know what I want. Alright, here's my breakfast. Super simple, but I need to eat this fruit up before I leave for the weekend, so this is what we're having today. I added a little bit of sugar just to give it some sweetness. Okay, so I just finished eating. I switched over the sheets to go ahead and try to get those done as quick as possible. I need to do my hair, and then maybe we can start on school stuff. I'll figure it out.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. Just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. Can make it, because I know that after all this time.
Okay, so clearly my hair is done now. I'm gonna hold off on doing my makeup though because the lighting in this apartment is so bad. We really only have like 2 windows in this whole apartment, and it sucks because like over here, like the kitchen does not get any light at all, and our bedroom light is just not good. So it's not good filming light. So I know that sounds like really stupid, but it's just how it is. So I might wait to film it at home or something because the lighting is always really good in my room. So maybe I'll do that. I don't know. I don't really know what to do. So I'll update you. But for now, I am going to do some homework. I really just need to go over notes and stuff and like highlight my notes that we went over on Wednesday because I still haven't done that yet, and I always like to go over the notes. Other than that, I'm waiting for the sheets, and then I need to finish packing, do my makeup, and then probably leave. But let's do some homework and get it over with.
Waiting, I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your life.
Alright guys, the bed is all made. Got all of the sheets washed and everything, so I feel good about that. And then I have my bag packed here. I think all I need to put in here is makeup, which is not even gonna fit clearly, so might have to carry that separately. But yeah, everything looks good in here. It's all cleaned, so we come back to a clean apartment. It's all clean in here, but I do need to still clean out in the kitchen and stuff before I leave, but I'm still working out there right now, so it's kind of a mess. But yeah, I need to do my makeup, which I don't think I'm gonna film, sadly, but I'll just do it another time. Yeah, we just need to clean, eat something before I go, and then we can go. I'm so excited. Guys, it is about 11 o'clock now, and I have just been sitting here on the floor doing homework, but I wanted to show you guys my to-do list that I made the other day in class. It is crazy. So this was my list. I made this on Wednesday, which was 2 days ago, so this was kind of everything I had to do for the rest of the week and just to prepare for next week. So it's definitely very long. I went through each class and wrote everything. The ones that are highlighted in pink are the ones that I already have finished, so I'm pretty happy about that. I only have a few things left for each class, and then this one is all done, which is awesome. Yeah, we've definitely made progress. That's what I've been working on this morning. I just finished a discussion board, and that one I was dreading, so I'm really happy about that. But I'm also dreading this critique. Yeah, that's the one class that isn't even like for my major, and it's like one of my hardest classes, so that's always fun. But yeah, I'm happy with how far I've got. Now I'm gonna be working on stuff for next week, which is like intraoral and extraoral, because that's what we're learning in clinical next week. And yeah, I just want to prepare. I just have felt like so behind. I don't know, I feel like the first 2 weeks were really good for me. I was like looking at everything before I went to class, and I was reading, and I've just been slacking a lot. So I'm trying to catch up and just make sure to study, because all of our exams are online and they're open no, and honestly I just feel like it's making things so much worse because I can just look at my notes and take the test, and I'm just not actually like learning the information like I should be. And yeah, so I need to get better about it, and I'm trying to do that this weekend and just really prepare and study, because I feel like it's all gonna hit me if I really don't know what they're talking about. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I will talk to you guys when I'm finished with these notes.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking
I just finished some notes that I wanted to do, and I think that's gonna be it for my homework for this morning anyways. Yeah, I need to get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup finally. I also might need to like recurl some pieces because they fell out, so that's sad. But I'm feeling so good about my homework. I definitely needed to get some stuff done. Also, I look so tan. You guys should go watch my Loving Tan video, fake tan routine, because their products are literally amazing, and I don't know, they're just so great and I love them so much. Yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. My makeup is done. We got our hair done. Honestly, I don't even know why I got ready, but I just felt like it because I have not worn makeup in a long time, and I don't know, I just felt like getting ready. I need to finish cleaning up around the apartment, make sure everything is clean, so when we come back Sunday night from the concert, it will be clean for us. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do that and get everything packed up and ready to leave, and then I'm probably gonna stop and get coffee because we all know at this point, like, it's just essential. We just have to have it, so. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Joe blows, yeah. Alright, I think I got everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out, get some coffee, and then head home. Also, for time reference, it is 12:35 right now, so I should get home around 2 o'clock-ish. It is way later now, it's 3 o'clock, and I just got into my hometown area and I have a raging headache. I don't know what it is with me getting headaches lately, but like I get them so bad. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to my sister's practice. I don't know if I said that in this video. I meant to leave earlier, but I was literally walking out the door of my apartment and my best friend from high school, Rylan, she texted me and she's like, call me. So I called her and we talked for like an hour because we have not talked in so long, and she's in the nursing program, and she was just telling me all about it, and I was telling her about my dental hygiene program, and yeah, we were just catching up, and yeah, I miss her a lot. So I'm going to my sister's practice, and then I'm gonna go home, have dinner with my family, and then I'm going to Cameron's house tonight to see his parents and stay the night there because we're going hunting in the morning, because today is October 1st, so in Michigan it's like opening day for hunting season. Yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys whenever I can next. I don't know, we'll see. Hi guys, so quickly I wanted to end today's video. It is like literally 2 weeks later that I'm finally getting around to editing this video, and I'm pretty sure it's a really long one, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, I don't know, I've just been in a really big rut lately, and I don't know what to film, and I feel like every single day is the same, and I feel bad, like I don't want you guys to be seeing the same thing every single time I film, and it's just hard to make it a priority to be filming everything during the week because it's just like really stressful for me right now with school, and it's just a lot. Dental hygiene school is not easy, so it's been a lot, but I'm really trying to make it a priority to keep filming for you guys. I want to keep posting, and like obviously I love doing this. I can't just put it on the back burner because I don't want to disappoint you. And yes, school comes first, but at the same time, like I made a commitment to having this YouTube channel, and I've grown so much in the past year, and just gained so many subscribers, which I'm so grateful for, and I just can't let that go. So I need to keep filming. I did make like a posting schedule and stuff, which I'm very excited to keep up with, and hopefully I'm able to. I really want to post 2 times a week, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, because clearly I can barely even post like once a week, but we'll see what happens. Let me know any video requests you have, so I'm not posting the same thing every single day. Like obviously day in my life and like productive days and stuff, I will really keep trying to do those. Something else, something other than that, because I don't want to be repetitive. That is where I'm at right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.